Hey there, soundbar enthusiasts! After analyzing almost 4,996 reviews, I've created these charts and graphs just for you. So, you can make the correct buying decision and ensure your hard-earned money isn't wasted on the wrong product. We believe in data-driven decisions based on real buyer opinions, not just one individual's perspective. Let's dive into the data and uncover the truth about the BoAt Aavante Bar 1500. You can see in the chart that a total of 4,996 buyers' reviews were analyzed to give you authentic insights about the BoAt Aavante Bar 1500. Out of those buyers, a staggering 43%, or almost 2,159, gave it a 5-star review, as you can see in the chart. Approximately 36% gave it a 4-star review. If we combine the percentages for 5-star and 4-star reviews, we find that a remarkable 79% of buyers were happy with this product, while 21% had some concerns. Let's start with a common frustration: sound quality. Have you ever purchased a soundbar only to be disappointed by lackluster audio performance? You know, when the bass doesn't quite hit those lows or the sound lacks that immersive, balanced quality you crave? We get it! That's why we're here to help you. Out of 1,076 users, almost 49% gave the sound quality of this soundbar a 5-star review, as you can see in the chart. Additionally, 33.55% of buyers gave it a 4-star review, and 10% gave it a 3-star review. If we combine the percentages for 4-star and 5-star reviews, we find that an impressive 83% of buyers were happy with the sound quality performance, while 17% had some concerns. Imagine this: you're eager to wirelessly stream music from your smartphone to your soundbar, only to discover that it lacks Bluetooth connectivity. Frustrating, isn't it? Out of 645 users, 37% and 35% of users gave this soundbar a 5-star and 4-star review. If we combine those percentages, we find that 72% of users were satisfied with the Bluetooth connectivity, while 28% had some concerns about the device's performance. Friends, if you're finding valuable information in this video, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. I've put a lot of effort into creating this video to ensure you make the correct decision and avoid wasting your money on the wrong product. Now, let's address the bass quality. Out of 1,197 buyers, 51% and 33% gave the bass quality of this soundbar a 5-star and 4-star review, respectively. If we combine those percentages, we find that 84% of buyers were satisfied with its performance, while 16% expressed some dissatisfaction. Next up, let's discuss build quality and size. Have you ever been disappointed by a soundbar that clashes with your home decor or overwhelms your space? Based on the feedback of 64 buyers, a whopping 80% were satisfied with its performance, while 20% had some concerns. Now, let's talk about the user interface and controls. Have you ever felt overwhelmed by a soundbar's remote control or on-device interface? You just want to adjust the audio settings or switch inputs without the hassle, right? Well, fear not! Out of 416 buyers who mentioned the remote control, 76% expressed satisfaction with its performance, while 24% had some concerns. I hope this insight helps you make the correct decision. The data was collected from Amazon, specifically focusing on verified buyer reviews to ensure authenticity. Thank you for watching this video, and if it truly helped you, please show your support by hitting the like and subscribe buttons. Your encouragement means the world to me. Thank you!